Speaking to the media, philosophy professor Xavier of Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, expressed appreciation to Gandhi for profound ethics, where he tried to teach the entire world that the means should justify the end. However, Professor Mao said that people should not overglorify any person.
He can be called a philosopher. One very important understanding on his ethical thought is that make a clear distinction between the sinner and the sin, which Jesus said. So here Gandhi clearly understood and he applied it to the British rule in India and the British people. So he says we should hate the British rule in India, but we should not hate the British people. And then in extending further, he also said in order to achieve any goal, any noble goal, the means should be also pure and the means should be also noble. But very often what happens with many people is the goal, if the goal is good, the goal is objective is noble, then they can use any kinds of means. Gandhi totally disagree with this kind of view. Both the end and the means should be pure and holy. Though Gandhi was not like any other religious person, but he was a theistic person. And he used to have bhajan, kirtan regularly, even in Delhi and at his place in Gujarat. So in this respect, Gandhi was in a way superstitious when he visited Bihar, the Bihar famine. He told the Bihar people that the famine had come because of their sins, the sins of the people of Bihar. But in this regard, even Rabindranath Tagore rebuked Gandhi that he was too superstitious. There is no cause and effect relationship between the famine and the sins of Bihar. Here Gandhi was superstitious. So his thinking and logical reasoning was not clear enough in this respect. But definitely Gandhi, as the mass leader during the freedom struggle, he made the ordinary Indian masses conscious of the social and political level. He raised to a high level. So that is his great contribution.